Stand down, little brother. I'm out of here.
Are you fucking kidding me? That bitchy pussy is always running. It's your guy's fault. I'm finding him myself.
Fuck me, I hurt. My leg's gone. I'll use this for now. Oh shit.
Help me, bro. I can't walk.
I'll put you on my back.
Thanks, bro.
Let's see if Titan Clockman can help us.
I hope so.
I thought Titan CameraMan dealt with you lot. Well, he left me, so I got a deal with these bastards myself. They thought they had a chance. Looks like one escaped. Not for long. Get out of my sight, shitbags.
Here, I'll put you down now.
What the fuck happened to you two?
It's a long story.
You guys can't fight. You've got to go into repairs.
Can you just reverse time and heal us?
It's gonna take up lots of energy.
Please.
Okay, fine.
Thank you so much.
My turn.
Oh fuck, bad news.
What's wrong?
I can't reverse your body. All my power's gone.
Oh, okay. I'll go back to base and get upgraded. And also tell Titan TV Man I told him to go fuck himself, and that he did shit in the fight with G-Man. But I'll see you in a couple months.
Poor Titan SpeakerMan. There's more robotic toilets coming.
I can't really help.
It's fine. I can solo them.